So, step one, start a fire. Alright, I think I got my coals just about right. Well, maybe not. Pretty in close. Spread them out a little bit. Got the old wok here. Place that sucker right on there. See if we can get it kind of level somewhat. Squish some stuff. Heat up the oil that I've got in there already. Excuse me. I don't have the Rono. It's a lot of dirt here in the desert. Of course, the first thing we're going to throw in there is going to be the taters. Move my eggs before I break them. Get the taters are going. Yeah. Let those cook up real good here, Chris. Then next we'll put in the sausage and the onions and the garlic. Let that simmer up real good, and we'll be right back with you. Oh, them taters are cooking up really quick. Got me a hot fire. Let's go ahead and throw the sausage in there. Get that going. Meantime, I'm going to go ahead and throw the onion and the garlic in also. I don't even know if this is picking up my voice to record. Hope so. Alright. Give that good stirring. See that? Mmm. Wish y'all could smell that garlic and onion. It smells good. At this point, I have some 505 roasted green chilies. So I'm gonna empty, so I'm just gonna chunk the whole rest of the jar in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get in the frying pan. Or I should say wok. That should kick up the flavor just a little bit. Mix that all up in there. Yeah. By no means am I a professional wokman. Like I said, this is the first time cooking with a wok. That looks like the basic fixings of a good omelet or egg mashup to me. Let that cook up real good for a little bit. I'll be right back with you. Alright, time to add some mushrooms and some homegrown cherry baby tomatoes, I guess. Give that a good stirring. Let's see if we can flip it off. Nope. I don't have the skill to do that yet. Yeah. Oh well. I tried. The last thing I'll add will be the eggs. Crack some eggs and hopefully not get any eggshells in there, but then again, I don't think I've ever heard of anybody dying from eggshells. Although I think I'll probably need more eggs. I only brought 4 out, so that'll be interesting. They have more guts than I do eggs. I had to use a little bit more oil. So everything was starting to stick pretty bad. So now it's egg cracking time. Plus I grabbed some more eggs. So how fast can an egg crack be cracked? Yeah, let's go. One. Two. My arming with. 3. 4. He can count, folks. Look at him. He's a smart feller. 5. Things to do when you're really bored. You video your food. 6. Get on out of there. Ooh, that drippy stuff there. Alright. There we go. Let's do a little of this number here. See how it turns out. Not sure if that looks real appetizing, but oh, I forgot the cheese. I need to go grab some cheese, folks. Let's go ahead and break those yolks anyway. Yeah, I got more fixings than I have egg, so I sure hope this is recording audio. But anyway, this is what we got to look at. Not sure how that's coming in on the GoPro, but let's get back down here to business. It'd be more of a scramble than an omelet. Now, if I had some tortillas, yes, sir, it'll be tasty. Well, that's just about done, folks. So I'll wrap this video up. Get this all saved for dinner, and I think I might even throw some burgers on here since I still have hot coals. Cook up some burgers for later in the week. I think Mom wants to go on a ride tomorrow, maybe after the TP, so I'll take a burger with me for lunch. Alright, peace out, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. First ever campfire wok cooking I've ever done. Later. Alright, so I got some leftover coals. We gotta do up some burgers. Actually, looks like I'm just burning some burgers. Burger a day keeps the health fitness guru a bit away. Yeah, I don't think that makes sense. But burgers up. Alright, Burger King ain't got nothing on me. I got some flame broiling going on right here. Yeah. Hold the pickles, hold the lettuce. Special orders, don't upset us. Let me burn your burger my way. Yeah. Good stuff right there. Whee. Yeah. Can you smell what the nerd is cooking? Fire good. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Good stuff. I'm gonna have to say, calling that done. Pull the puppies off. They look tasty. Yeah, smell it. Do it. Ah, it's warm. Woohoo! Yeah. No droppy burger. Alright, there we go. Man, I still got a lot of coals left. Way too much. What a waste. Alright, well, that was the second half of the burger segment. Peace out. 2 for 1 night.